Let me ask you something. Does working in Google Workspace ever feel like you're literally drowning in a sea of tabs? You know the feeling, right? You've got these massive doc proposals open, endless 40 reply Gmail threads you haven't even touched, and giant spreadsheets that you have to manually update cell by cell. Honestly, it can feel like pure administrative drudgery is just eating up your entire day.
But what if I told you there's a digital brain sitting right there in your side panel, and most professionals are completely underutilizing it? Seriously, Google Gemini isn't just another generic AI tool that you have to constantly brief from scratch. It's an integrated partner. Because it lives right inside your workspace, it's actually already read your files and it's sat in your meetings. Just imagine for a second, never having to manually build a spreadsheet template or, summarize a super long, confusing email thread ever again. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to make that a reality. Before we get to the good stuff and show you how to activate this AI partner, please subscribe to the channel now to ensure you are not missing out on our new knowledge content on AI. We want to make sure you always stay ahead of the curve. All right, let's jump right in. To really wrap our heads around this, we're going to follow a single connected story. So, meet Sarah, our integrated professional. Now, like a lot of us, Sarah starts her morning by opening her laptop, and bam, she is immediately staring down this daunting 40-reply email thread from a client. Normally, this means blowing the first 30 minutes of her day just reading through it all to figure out what on earth happened while she was asleep. But today she does things differently. Instead of panicking, Sarah opens the Gemini side panel right there in her Gmail. First thing she does, she clicks Summarize. Instantly, and I mean instantly, she gets this quick, crystal clear overview of all of the key decisions and action items from that massive thread. No endless scrolling required. Next, she uses Help Me Write to draft a formal reply. Gemini actually analyzes the context and perfectly matches a professional tone of the conversation. And finally, when it's time to coordinate a follow-up call, she just clicks Help Me Schedule. Gemini goes in, automatically looks at everyone's calendars, and proposes the absolute best meeting slots. Boom! In just a few clicks, her entire morning triage is completely done. The big takeaway here? AI is handling all that tedious busy work so Sarah can jump straight into the actual work. Okay, so let's move on to her next task and see how this all builds together. Sarah transitions into her deep work for the day, which is putting together a big client proposal in Google Docs. Usually, this means doing that awful dance of copying and pasting notes, toggling endlessly between tabs, and staring at a blank page. But instead, she opens up the side panel in Docs and just types a simple prompt. She says, draft a project plan using the summary from my client email thread. And get this, Gemini automatically pulls the exact context right from her workspace and builds out a fully structured proposal draft in seconds. It literally connects the dots for her. All right, so with the proposal drafted, she's going to need a budget, right? She opens up a brand new Google Sheet. Now, instead of hunting through her drive for some old template to copy over, she uses the Help Me Organize feature. She just types in what she needs, something like create a custom budget structure for labor and materials across different departments. And instantly, Gemini builds this beautifully, neatly formatted table. It sets up columns for marketing, operations, HR, and it even throws in a planned versus actual variance column. It is a total game changer. Now for the next step. Sarah actually needs to populate this budget. So she highlights the data she does have and clicks a feature called Fill with Gemini. This tool is so smart. It intelligently identifies the patterns in her data and just automatically populates the rest of the spreadsheet cells. I mean, what used to take hours of manual, mind-numbing data entry, it's done almost instantly. It's incredibly accurate, and it completely saves her from that tedious administrative drudgery that just drains your energy for the day. So by the afternoon, Sarah is ready to design a presentation for her client using Google Slides. She really wants a unique visual to drive her point home, but, she doesn't have the budget for a graphic designer or some pricey stock photo subscription. No problem. She uses the Help Me Visualize feature. Now, this is powered by Nano Banana Pro, which is Gemini's advanced image generation model. She just types a really simple text prompt, say, create an image of a giraffe standing in front of the Eiffel Tower made to look like a watercolor painting, and wow, it instantly generates these unique, high-quality visual concepts right on the spot. And here's the coolest part. Because Gemini is what we call multimodal, she can literally snap a photo of her messy whiteboard notes, upload it, and have the AI read that image and translate it straight into a professional slide. It completely frees up her creative time and makes the whole presentation look incredibly polished. Okay, next up, it's time for her live afternoon meetings. Now, Sarah is running a little behind and ends up joining a Google Meet video call about 10 minutes late. Come on, we have all been there, right? You're trying to figure out what's going on without awkwardly interrupting the speaker. Well, Sarah just clicks the Catch Me Up button. Gemini instantly, quietly provides a concise text summary of exactly what she missed. So she grasps the discussion immediately. Oh, and if she's working with global clients, she can even turn on real-time translated captions. It allows her to just seamlessly jump right into the flow of the conversation. And the best part is, the AI assistant does not stop when the meeting ends. Because she enabled the Take Notes for Me feature, Gemini basically acts as the ultimate scribe. It quietly listens to the entire meeting and then automatically creates a beautifully structured Google Doc with a full summary and perfectly assigned action items, delivering that straight to Sarah's Google Drive. Think about that. She never has to scramble to jot things down during a conversation ever again. She actually gets to just focus on connecting with her team. Now look, a true professional knows that every tool has its boundaries, right? It is super important to understand how your data is actually being handled here. So Gemini operates very securely within strict company boundaries, featuring enterprise-grade data protection. Your prompts and your personal files are not used to train public models, and they are definitely not reviewed by humans. But having said that, it's really best to treat Gemini kind of like a super eager intern. It's highly capable, absolutely, but it does have a knowledge cutoff. For a lot of tasks, Gemini 1.5 Pro's training data actually ends in November 2023. And, it can sometimes state false facts with absolute authority, a quirky little phenomenon we call hallucination. So the rule of thumb, always verify its data and make sure you're following your own company's specific AI policies. So let's take a step back and just look at what Sarah accomplished today. By letting an integrated AI partner handle all those messy thread summaries, the tedious spreadsheet templates, the meeting notes, and those blank page initial drafts, she fundamentally shifted her role. She completely transformed from a doer of drudgery into the true pilot of her workflow. Reclaiming all those lost hours allows working professionals, just like you, to actually focus on the strategic thinking, the relationship building, and the creative problem solving. The stuff that actually moves a career forward. This technology isn't some far-off futuristic concept anymore. It's literally sitting right there in your workspace, just waiting to be used. So stop leaving that side panel closed. Go ahead and build your digital brain today. The only question left is, what are you going to accomplish with all that reclaimed time? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.